So this is the new Tobii Dynavox i12 Plus, and we're going to show you how to insert the batteries, connect the power, and power on the unit. So first thing I'm going to show you how to do is put the batteries in. So the battery compartment is here at the bottom. You can see that it takes 2 batteries. I'm going to just put it down on the table for stability here. You can see that the batteries have this like push button here, and then the light up, so you can see how much the batteries are charged. I did go ahead and pre-charge the unit and the batteries already. When you first get them, they will not be charged. So you're just going to take the battery and simply slide it in the unit and push till it clicks. You can see that it's clicked there. Do the same thing with the other battery. Go ahead and push it in and push till it clicks. To take the battery out, you're just going, there's a little lever here. You're just going to push it, you can push it in and just pull the battery out like this. Very easy. You actually do not need to take the batteries in and out except when you're first setting the device up. So just push that back in. Again, you hear the click. To charge the unit, there are 2 sets of ports on either side of the i12 Plus. This side of the i12, I guess the right side when you're looking at it, is the side where you'll go ahead and put in the charging adapter. The adapter looks just like, you know, like a computer charger. So you're just going to take this end, place it in here and push it in, and this end you just plug into a normal outlet. And then to turn it on, you'll just go ahead, you'll see this little, there are 3 buttons here. You're going to push this top button here, and you'll see the green light, and that means that it's on. Should go ahead and power up for us. Okay, so once you get the Wi-Fi connected, you'll see right here, it'll tell you what you've connected to, and then you can just go ahead and go to the next step. So of course you got that lovely software license agreement that you know everybody reads all the way through. So we'll read it all the way through here. Keep reading all the way to the end. And then go ahead and check that you've read this, and then again press the next button. So there are some audio warnings and temperature warnings. I think we've talked about this before, but you can adjust the volume to where it will like really hurt your eardrums, so please don't do that. And then the temperature, you do not want to have the Tobii Dynavox out in really hot weather. You know, just like any electronics, it can melt, it can malfunction, and it can even like overheat, and you don't want it to do that. So we'll go ahead and check that we've read and understand those things. And we're going to say that this device usage, it's actually mounted. We have it mounted to, we're going to have it mounted to the wheelchair. So we'll go ahead and say next. Now we're going to register our device. Okay, because this is a school-owned device, in order to register the device, we're going to assign it to our A&IT department. So we're just going to put in here the school district name, and then for the last name we're going to put in assistive and instructional technology. Whoops. And then we're going to say I assist the users. And we definitely want to receive the emails and the updates because that lets us know when an update comes along. And then just again, simply press next. And then it says you can get started. We've completed all the necessary steps to get started. And then the backup information, they always want you to either have a SD card or a USB port, a USB flash drive that you can back up all your information. So we have one of those here. So that's always good to keep handy with you as well. And so we're finished. So we're going to check the finish button and get started. All right, so to go ahead and actually program the device to customize it for the student, we're going to press the Start Setup Wizard. It's going to walk us through every step. First, it's going to load it. And you can see it's loading it pretty quickly. If you worked with these devices in the past, it took a bit longer than this, so this is really nice. Now you have a choice here. You can go to a new page set wizard. You can select a page set. You can restore from my Tobii Dynavox, or you can restore from my computer. So you have a couple choices here. Now we could restore, but I think we should go to the new page set wizard and see what they have to offer us. I do have USB with the students' prior preferences, but it's always good to see what's new, and then we can go back and reset those page sets. So, ooh, look at this. So in the page set wizard here, my student is an advanced user, so for the age, we're actually going to go to adult. Wow, they've got some new choices though. Have young adult and adult. I think I'm going to go with young adult this time. And they actually asked for the gender this time. These are all new. These are also new as well. So they have some recommended page sets here. My student used Navigator last time, so we'll go with Navigator this time. And so they have keyboards, quick phrases, and message history. And this looks just like what she had last time, so we'll go ahead and select this page set and we'll press yes. And that's how easy it is to set up. Okay, so now we're going to look at the access method. That's the way the student is able to select what they want to say. So you can choose your own access method down here or use a wizard. Well, we already know what the student is going to use, but I want to show you the different types here. We've got simple touch, touch enter, touch exit, mouse, gaze interaction, and scanning. We're going to go with simple touch, and then we're going to go next. And we don't need a tour at this time, so we're just going to hit next. It does also offer an orientation because the student has used it in the past though. We don't need to do this, but if the student or family member wants to go back, they can find all of this stuff in the settings area. And we're just going to press start communicating. And there you have it.